Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will discover together how to operate the Dyna-CT transmission of Massey Ferguson telehandlers. This video is intended for vehicles equipped with the 7-inch touchscreen and the Dyna-CT transmission. The Dyna-CT is a hydrostatic stepless transmission. It operates without gear ranges or shifts, offering smooth and intuitive driving. You can choose between two driving modes to suit your needs. Turtle mode, ideal for precision work up to 20 kilometers per hour. Hare mode, for faster movements up to 40 kilometers per hour. To optimize fuel efficiency, several features are available: Eco mode, Creeper mode, Dynamic mode, and DTM, Dynamic Tractor Management. Eco mode, activated from the right-hand console, limits engine speed to 1,800 revolutions per minute for a quieter, more fuel-efficient drive. Creeper mode lets you limit the machine's top speed as a percentage of its maximum. For example, if set to 60% on a machine with a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, the limit becomes 24 kilometers per hour. Note: Creeper mode is not compatible with cruise control. DTM automatically reduces engine speed to 1,750 revolutions per minute when driving at a steady pace. This feature is factory activated, but can be adjusted in the machine settings. It will also activate automatically when using cruise control. If, on the other hand, you need a more responsive machine, activate Dynamic mode on the right-hand console for a livelier performance. Now you know how to use the Dyna-CT transmission. It's your turn to try.